Hey Math Aces! Welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to solve this equation to find the value for y. Once we find what that is, we're going to confirm that our answer is correct by plugging that value back in and making sure that the whole thing here equals 52. So let's get started. Whenever I'm solving equations, I always tell my students to separate the left side of the equation from the right side of the equation. The best way to do that is to draw a line down the left side of the equal sign and down the right side of the equal sign. The best thing to do next is to box each side of the equation so that we can separate our terms. So that's our left side and this is our right side. On the left side, we have two terms, and the best way to break up terms is to find a plus or minus sign and drop a line right in front. I have a minus sign here, so I'll drop a line right there. So now I've got two terms. I've got positive y, and I've got negative 45. On the right side of the equation, it's just 52 all by itself. The goal is to isolate the variable, which is this term here. In order to do that, we have to use what's called inverse operations. That's a fancy math word for just opposite operations. So if we have minus 45 or negative 45, how can we use inverse operations to help cancel that out? In other words, what's the opposite of minus 45? Well, that's plus 45. I'll put plus 45 right under minus 45. And then I'll put the same exact thing on the right. This is called balancing the equation. In order to keep a scale balanced, you have to have the same exact thing on the left and right side. So when we do the same exact thing to the left and right, that keeps our equation balanced, because we're changing the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation the same exact way. What happens to these 45s? Well, they cancel out, because negative 45 plus 45 equals 0. Now I've got y by itself, so I can just bring it down. I'll bring down the equal sign. And then next, I'll bring down the result of 52 plus 45. And we can always do the work on the side. 52 plus 45, well, 5 plus 2 is 7. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So here I'll write 97. So our final answer is y equals 97. And remember, when we have a variable equal to some value, that's called our solution. So the next thing we'll do is confirm that 97 is the correct answer. So we need to substitute 97 in for y. And whenever we do substitutions, I recommend that you put your variable inside parentheses. It helps when questions get a little bit more challenging. So under y, I'm going to plug in 97 because y equals 97. Minus, I'll bring down the 45, equals 52. And what's 97 minus 45? Again, we can do that on the side. 97 minus 45. 7 minus 5 is 2, and 9 minus 4 is 5. So the result of 97 minus 45 is 52. So the left side is equal to 52, the right side is equal to 52. It's completely balanced because the left and right side are exactly the same thing, just like on a scale, totally balanced. And that means that our answer, y equals 97, is the correct solution.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.